I want to talk about Wi-Fi network design. This is just an introduction video. I'm going to make more videos in detail about how to properly design a wireless network. We're using Fluke Network Survey Pro to take our preliminary measurements. And the first thing you need to do is figure out what area needs Wi-Fi coverage and select the appropriate blueprint or drawing with dimensions. Import that into the Survey Pro software. Give it some preliminary specifications, like what kind of area it is, outdoor, indoor, office. And before you do your design, you want to take some preliminary measurements. The software lets you walk around and it takes measurements of whatever the existing Wi-Fi is. And this is important because sometimes you already have an existing network, or you have your neighbor's network. If you're in an office building, there's already signals coming in from other offices, and that causes noise. So in this case, you can see it's all green, so we have a very good Wi-Fi signal in the warehouse, but it's not our signal, so we want to put our own Wi-Fi. And the way that we initially designed it is, I've got a UPS plugged into test AP and a power injector, and this is one of the locations where I'm planning to install an AP. So we're running the AP now in the active mode, and we're going to use the Survey Pro software to take Wi-Fi measurements around the AP and in the warehouse, and that's going to give us a heat map. So we'll know what kind of Wi-Fi coverage we're going to get if we place this AP here. And that'll let us prove that this is a good spot for an AP and figure out, its range. So we're walking around and we're taking measurements, and you can see the green area we've got very good signal, and the orange area it's a little bit of a poor signal, so we're going to have to put another AP in the middle or at the bottom somewhere. Obviously I didn't bother walking all the way to the bottom of the warehouse because we know we're not going to get an acceptable level of coverage. And we're looking for the signal strength and also the signal to noise ratio. And we're going to talk more about these parameters in another video once I get around to making it. But just for now, we're going to save this survey, and we're going to move the AP to another part of the warehouse now. And as you can see, we've got another signal map, and it looks pretty good now, so we know we can cover this warehouse with 2 APs and get a good signal in the areas that we've selected. Thank you.